I know that you know that nail polish removers are very toxic and we absorb toxins through our skin, but we like nail polish. And in fact, my daughters like putting nail polish of this putrid color on me. I want to show you a nice little trick that I learned recently is take the lemongrass oil, drop it on my little cleaner here. I'm gonna take this one, I won't give you the middle one, and you just rub and rub. It takes a little bit more effort, a little more friction than regular nail polish, but without all the toxins. And lemongrass is a wonderful essential oil to have with you. It's great for cleansing. When I put it in the diffuser, I call it my Get Stuff Done blend, more with the asterisk in there, but it allows you to get going on things, start projects, declutter, all of that. And you can already see it's really coming off. And in fact, I have 2 layers of nail polish on there. So yeah, it's doing an effective job and I get the uplifting aroma. So if you're tired of using toxic nail polish removers, just simply use doTERRA's Lemongrass Essential Oil. All right, if anyone else is interested in learning about essential oils, what I usually do is set up a time to go over your health concerns, a little bit about the company, and the most popular products that pertain to you and your health goals. If that interests you, just shoot me a message. So, lemongrass for removing nail polish. Clearly, it did an effective job, and I hope you find that tip helpful. Have a great day.